Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mr. Kelly, your immigration analyst. Today's video is extremely important because we are going to talk about developments in the U.S. immigration system that could potentially affect millions of immigrants living in the United States or planning to come to the United States in the future. Over the past several years, the American immigration system has been under increasing pressure. Immigration agencies have been dealing with a very large number of applications, and many immigrants are currently waiting for decisions related to visas, work authorization, and permanent residency. Because of this situation, immigration processing times have become one of the biggest concerns for immigrants and their families. Many applicants are experiencing longer waiting periods than expected, and in some cases, people have been waiting months or even years for updates on their immigration cases. For individuals and families who are trying to build their lives in the United States, these delays can create uncertainty and stress. People often cannot make long-term plans about their work, travel, or family decisions until they receive an update about their immigration status. One of the reasons for these delays is the growing number of immigration applications submitted each year. Every year, millions of people apply for different immigration benefits. These include applications for employment authorization, family petitions, permanent residency, and naturalization. When the number of applications grows faster than the system's ability to process them, the result is a backlog of cases waiting to be reviewed. This means that immigration officers must work through a large number of pending cases before reaching new applications. As a result, many applicants may experience longer waiting periods while their cases are reviewed. Now, this is something many immigrants are watching very closely. Another important part of the immigration process involves the regular updates that determine when applicants can move forward with the next stage of their immigration cases. These updates help applicants understand when they may become eligible to continue their immigration process. When there is movement in immigration categories, it can allow many applicants to move forward after long waiting periods. However, the speed of this movement often depends on several factors, including annual immigration limits and the number of applicants from different countries. Because of these limits, some applicants may experience shorter waiting times, while others may face longer delays depending on their immigration category and country of origin. This is why many immigrants carefully monitor official immigration updates and announcements. Even a small change in the immigration process can have a significant impact on applicants who are waiting for progress in their cases. In addition to processing delays, immigration agencies have also been working on improving the system in several ways. Over the past few years, there have been efforts to modernize parts of the immigration process. For example, digital filing systems have been expanded so that more applications can be submitted and processed electronically. This helps reduce paperwork and allows immigration officers to review applications more efficiently. Government agencies have also worked on improving internal procedures and increasing staffing in certain areas in order to manage the growing number of applications. The goal of these improvements is to make the immigration process faster and more reliable for applicants. However, large systems like immigration processing do not change overnight. Even when improvements are introduced, it can take time before applicants begin to see noticeable changes in processing times. This is why many immigrants continue to check the status of their applications regularly and stay informed about any new updates that could affect their cases. Another important point that immigrants should understand is the importance of staying organized throughout the immigration process. Immigration applications often require a variety of documents. These documents can include identification records, application forms, supporting evidence, and official notices related to the case. Keeping these documents organized and accessible can make a significant difference if additional information is requested during the review of an immigration case. Applicants should also make sure they are aware of the expiration dates of important immigration documents. In many cases, renewing a document before it expires can help prevent complications later in the process. For example, work authorization documents and travel documents may need to be renewed on time in order to avoid interruptions. Another key recommendation from immigration professionals is to stay informed using reliable sources of information. Immigration news can sometimes spread quickly through social media and online communities, but not all information shared online is accurate or verified. Because of this, it is important for immigrants to rely on official government announcements and trusted information sources when following immigration updates. Accurate information helps applicants make better decisions and avoid unnecessary confusion about immigration procedures. Many immigration experts also suggest that applicants seek professional advice if they are unsure about the details of their immigration cases. Every immigration case is unique, and professional guidance can sometimes help applicants understand their options more clearly. Despite the challenges that exist in the immigration system, it is important to remember that many immigrants successfully complete the process every year. Millions of immigrants continue to live and work in the United States, contributing to communities, businesses, and industries across the country. Immigration has long played an important role in the development of the United States, and discussions about immigration policies will likely continue in the coming years. As new updates and policy discussions emerge, many immigrants will continue to follow these developments closely to understand how they might affect their future. For immigrants who are currently waiting for updates on their applications, patience and preparation remain extremely important. Staying informed, keeping documents organized, and monitoring official announcements can help applicants navigate the immigration process more effectively. Even though the immigration journey can sometimes be long and complex, many people eventually reach their goal of living and working in the United States. For now, the most important thing applicants can do is remain informed and prepared for any developments that may occur in the immigration system. If you want to stay updated with the latest immigration news, immigration policy discussions, and immigration system updates, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. Thank you for watching today's video.